Ciao a tutti, benvenuti o bentornati sul mio canale. In this lesson, we'll look at affirmative and negative imperative forms. The imperative is a verbal mood used to give orders, ask for a favor, call for attention, give advice, or give instructions. When the imperative is used to tell someone to do something, it is called affirmative imperative. When it is used to tell someone not to do something, it's called negative imperative. The Italian imperative also has both affirmative and negative forms. It is only used in the present tense, and it exists in 4 forms. Tu, lei, noi, voi. Strictly speaking, the lei and noi forms are not exactly imperative forms. They are present subjunctive forms acting as exhortatives. One last thing. There is another plural imperative form you can use when addressing a group of people, loro. But nowadays this form is rarely used and mainly replaced by the voi form, so we won't mention it again in this video. Let's start by looking at Italian affirmative imperative forms. Regular verbs ending in are. Example verb, ascoltare, to listen. For the informal second person singular tu, the imperative ending is a, ascolta. For the formal second person singular lei, the imperative ending is I, ascolti. For the noi form, the imperative ending is iamo, ascoltiamo. And for the voi form, the imperative ending is ate, ascoltate. Regular verbs ending in ere. Example verb, scrivere, to write. For the informal second person singular tu, the imperative ending is I, scrivi. For the formal second person singular lei, the imperative ending is a, scriva. For the noi form, the imperative ending is iamo, scriviamo. And for the voi form, the imperative ending is ete, scrivete. Regular verbs ending in ire. Example verb, dormire, to sleep. For the informal second person singular tu, the imperative ending is I, dormi. For the formal second person singular lei, the imperative ending is a, dorma. For the noi form, the imperative ending is iamo, dormiamo. And for the voi form, the imperative ending is ite, dormite. Let's look at some examples. Suonare, to play. Suona il piano. Cantare, to sing. Canti una canzone. Togliere, to take away, to take off. Togliamo le scarpe. Aprire, to open. Aprite la porta. Now let's look at the affirmative imperative forms of some of the most common Italian irregular verbs. Essere, to be. Sii, sia, siamo, siate. Avere, to have. Abbi, abbia. abbiamo, abbiate. Andare, to go. Vai, va. Vada, andiamo, andate. Dare, to give. Dai, da. Dia, diamo, date. Dire, to say. Di, dica, diciamo, dite. Fare, to do, to make. Fai, fa. Faccia, facciamo, fate. Sapere, to know. Sappi, sappia, sappiate. With verb sapere, you don't usually use the noi form in the imperative. Stare, to stay. Stai, sta. Stia, stiamo, state. Tenere, to hold, to keep. Tieni, tenga, teniamo, tenete. Togliere, to take away, to remove, to take off. Togli, tolga, togliamo, togliete. Uscire, to go out. Esci, esca. Usciamo, uscite. Venire, to come. Vieni, venga. Veniamo, venite. You will have noticed that some Italian irregular verbs have got two forms, one regular and one abbreviated. In terms of use, there is no difference between these forms, so you can choose the ones you prefer. Let's look at some examples. Dire, to say, to tell. Di sempre la verità. Stare, to stay, or in some cases it can be translated as to keep. Stia calma. Uscire, to go out. Usciamo insieme stasera. Fare, to do, to make, or in some cases to be. Fate attenzione. These are all examples of affirmative imperative. Let's now look at Italian negative imperative forms. Italian negative imperative is formed in the same way for all verbs. For the informal singular tu form, it consists of the negative particle non plus the verb in its infinitive form. For the lei, noi and voi forms, it consists of the negative particle non followed by the affirmative imperative forms we have seen earlier. So if we take verb bere, to drink, for example, we get the following negative imperative forms. Non bere for the tu form, non beva for the lei form, non beviamo for the noi form, and non bevete for the voi form. Let's look at some examples. Mangiare, to eat. Non mangiare troppe patatine. Gridare, to shout. Non gridi. Seguire, to follow. Non seguiamo i cattivi consigli. Perdere, to lose, to miss. Non perdete il treno. Time to practice now. Pause the video and translate these sentences into Italian with the correct affirmative or negative imperative forms. Use the pronouns and verbs written in yellow as a guide. At the end of the exercise, compare your answers with the ones provided in the description box below. And that's all for this lesson. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Grazie e arrivederci!